Velcraft is a Velcro brand one wrap crafted into 3D figures or 2D designs, and with the mission bringing your ideas to life, I would like my idea to tie in Velcro brand's history with space frontiering specifically, as well as us, the ambassadors, being a new frontier for community outreach within the Velcro brand. So my design or my idea overall is an astronaut bust, utilizing various colors of Velcro brand one wrap as well as the Velcro brand logo, the V here that I have pinned on me.
The hatch is coming open. Okay. It's open. Verified. I'm moving outside.
I'm going to step off the limb. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
How am I doing? You're doing fine. I'm beginning to...
So that is my concept that I wanted to build for us, and I want to thank you for your time in watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts on the concept in the comments below, and if you would like to see more content creation, feel free to follow me at instagram.com/velcraft, twitch.tv/velcrafting, or facebook.com/velcraft. Thank you.